Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at one of our core products, the air suspension compressor. Taizhan offers three main compressor series for American and European market. First, the AMK compressor series, which is designed primarily for Mercedes-Benz. It features two-stage compression for higher pressure output, a compact yet comprehensive design, user-friendly interfaces for easy replacement, lightweight, simple operation, and a long service life. Next, the WABCO series. These units are fully featured and compact, with integrated temperature sensors. They are expertly engineered for ease of use and seamless integration, offering quiet operation, reliable sealing, and extended durability. It was widely used in BMW, Audi and Land Rover. Finally, the Continental series, which fits for Tesla, Porsche, are known for its high level of integration. These compressors are small, lightweight, and energy efficient, with clearly marked interfaces for easy and reliable installation. They deliver high pressure and rapid response. Besides, Taizhan also supplies compressors to O market. With 14 years development, Taizhan has grown into a Tier 1 air suspension compressor manufacturer in China.